In this video, I will teach you about trading strategies and a revolutionary new coin, Bitgesell. A quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, so let's get right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need for Bitgesell, and you will definitely want to check them out at the end of this video, will be down in the description, so check them out. So in this video we'll talk about Bitgesell, and I first wanted to highlight what essentially Bitgesell is. And they have their own token, BGL. We'll talk about what that is and why it is revolutionary, and why some people say with good reason that it is the new Bitcoin. So after that I'll also myself buy some Bitgesell, some BGL, and I'll show you how to use their own bridge to actually transfer your own BGL to your own Bitgesell wallet. Alright, so let's get right into it. So Bitgesell, essentially what it is it's a new crypto that enables instant payments to anyone, anywhere around the world. And for this, same as Bitcoin, but Bitgesell in way more forms is actually better than Bitcoin, but we'll talk about that during the duration of this video. Like Bitcoin, it uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority. Managing transactions and issuing money are carried out collectively by the network. And apart from that, Bitgesell is even a better store of value, which sometimes people say Bitcoin is a store of value, but they don't know about Bitgesell because they actually have a burn rate of 90% of the transaction fees. And they consider deflation as an advantage. So as I said, they have the deflationary aspects of Bitcoin up to a max, burning 90% of all transaction fees. And they have actually decreased the block size to 10 times smaller than Bitcoin, but a little bit more about that later. And the main reason why they do this is to create a highly deflationary crypto with Bitgesell, which means that if you actually own BGL coins, it actually deflates. So that means that your BGL coins become more scarce and therefore become more valuable. And apart from that, they have combined the concepts of Freigeld and gold, which basically means, and you can learn more about that on their website, and again I do want to remind you that all the links will be down in the description, which basically means the same as that you should imagine gold, which volume in existence is gradually decreasing over time. And as I said earlier, the Bitgesell block weight is actually 10 times smaller than Bitcoin's block weight, which is 4 megabytes to the 400 kilobytes of Bitgesell. And this actually allows them to achieve sufficient transaction throughput from one side and keep the transaction mempool competition to ensure that the transaction fees are actually gathered and burned. And they do even more to make Bitgesell the best store of value crypto out there. Where Bitcoin has a halving every 4 years, Bitgesell actually has a halving every year, as you can see. And again, you can read more about it if you want to on their website, bitgesell.ca. So now I'll actually buy some BGL coins and I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you want to do is go to their website and click the Join Us button up here. But you can also go to PancakeSwap, which is where you can buy BGL tokens. So if you press the Join Us button right here, it will bring you to PancakeSwap, and here you will see the WBGL tokens. You have to be on the BNB Smart Chain, so connect your MetaMask wallet up here at the top right. Connect to the BNB Smart Chain network, which you probably already have on, and then you can actually start buying WBGL. And then it's very easy to actually buy WBGL, the wrapped version, but as I said, we'll also take a look at the Bitgesell bridge to actually allow us to make that WBGL normal BGL coins. So what you then want to do is you actually want to input how much you want to buy of WBGL, which in my case is $50. You enable USDT with your wallet. It does that automatically if you actually approve that, and then you click swap. So after clicking swap and actually confirming it, we have now successfully bought WBGL. As you can see, I have over 1,000 BGL coins. So now you obviously want your WBGL coins on your own Bitgesell wallet. So what you then want to do is you go to bglswap.com, but again, all the links will be down in the description. And we want to bridge from WBGL to BGL. But what we first need then is a Bitgesell wallet. So if you want a Bitgesell wallet, what you have to do is you go back to the main site, go over to downloads at the top menu all the way to the right, and download the best version of the wallet you can find, depending on what you want. Do you want a Linux version, Windows, or do you need a Mac OS version? So depending on that, you then click download to the version you need for your computer, and then it's a very intuitive and easy process to actually download the wallet, and it will automatically open the wallet once it's downloaded. Alright, so now I'll actually show you how you can transfer the WBGL you just bought to your own BGL wallet. So here you can see the wallet. What you want to do is press receive, because obviously you want the tokens to arrive there. You'll see a button, create new address. There you'll see an address which you need to send WBGL tokens to with their own bridge. You can copy the address, but for now the first thing we want to do is to actually get to the bridge. So here you can see the Bitgesell bridge, and again, all the links you will need for this will be down in the description. And you want to transfer WBGL, which we just bought, to normal BGL tokens. So there you'll see an address, as you can see. You copy that, we have blacked that out for a little bit, but you copy that and you actually paste it there. Then you'll press continue. It will bring you to MetaMask, where you have to accept a message. And after you have successfully accepted that message, now you can actually bridge or transfer the WBGL to your BGL wallet. You type in how much WBGL that is in your MetaMask wallet you want to transfer to normal BGL, and therefore to your BGL and Bitgesell wallet. You accept the MetaMask, and then you have actually successfully transferred the WBGL to BGL in your BGL core wallet. If you in the wallet go to transactions, you can actually see the transaction while it's pending, and you can also in the overview see that it's pending and see your full balance of BGL in your own BGL wallet. So apart from that, I would also definitely recommend you to check out all the social media of Bitgesell, which you will find on their website. Again, all the links will be down in the description, and there you can see their links to specific news articles, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Reddit, everything you need. And I would definitely recommend you to check out that as well and to learn more about this amazing project and coin. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. We talked about Bitgesell, and I actually showed you how you yourself can buy this new revolutionary coin using PancakeSwap, their own bridge, and their wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.